This unit is a prime example of why I kept looking at units over and over and over again. Bit out of my price budget, but you know, if it's in yours, you might well consider this unit.
Hello, welcome to Swati Car. My name is Rob and today we're going to be checking out the Ashton here at Rama 9. Not only did I nearly move into this exact condo last year, I'm going to be moving into the Rama 9 area in November. I'm going to explain exactly why in today's video. So today I'm actually going to be showing you 5 different units in the Ashton. It's split between 2 towers, Alpha and Omega. They've got slightly different designs, kind of like his and hers. One is black and gold and the other one's like a champagne colour. Both of them actually look pretty decent, but you'll see a bit later on in the video. Ashtons are known for their prime location. If you ever saw where I lived before for 1 year, I was at the Ashton Asok and it was right on the corner, right next to the MRT entrance, and this one is no different. It's right on the corner of the intersection and you've got the MRT entrances, well, basically dotted around absolutely everywhere. You've got the Fortune Town IT Mall across the road, which goes on for about a whole mile, and at the end of it is a Tesco Lotus, kind of like your local fresh food supermarket, which is actually really affordable prices. It's little things like that are the reason that why I want to move into this area, because it just makes it more affordable and more welcoming and much easier just to live a normal kind of lifestyle, if that makes any kind of sense. As well as that, on this side of the road, you've got Central Plaza Shopping Mall. It's got a cinema, a bunch of food places, sort of a lot of stuff to sort of see and do. And again, you've got more entrances for the MRT. There's actually 3 or 4 different entrances dotted around, and they're all within like walking distance of the actual building itself. So it's nice to know that you've got really quick public transport links right on your doorstep. This is John Fair's night market, obviously closed now, it's early in the morning, absolutely huge, world famous. For me, as an expat living here, this is too busy for me, to be honest. My favourite market is actually just one stop up on the MRT, and that's the one Ratchta. This is going at the end of the year, so it's not end of the world that it's going, because you still have one of the best night markets just one stop away. If you want to know more about the Rama 9 area, I have a dedicated video all about it. I love this area, I think it's really good. That's why I'm passionate and it's so easy for me to make this video. Let's jump into the condo itself. And if any of the rooms that I show you today, I only put a for sale price on, just keep in mind the room type, the layout, and then you can search online. You'll find, guarantee you'll find the exact same spec of room that's for sale through a different agent or something. So these are kind of like just to showcase you what the rooms look like, and then you can kind of go forward and kind of find the same thing yourself. Trust me, there is so much availability in this building alone. So yeah, let's jump in and check them out. This is obviously going to be one of the main selling points at this building. It's absolutely beautiful swimming pools overlooking the G Tower again, the shopping centres, the rest of Rama 9, and then you've got another one on the other side. Both buildings have got swimming pools in the sun all day long. Amazing view, unblocked across the city as well. It's just, do I need to say anything more? They look absolutely epic. So this unit is much bigger than the ones that I could afford basically, but even this one is brand new. No one's lived in here. This one's got a lot of natural light coming in, which is really good. You can just see the G Tower in the background here. You've got some kind of balcony here, which I don't think you can get onto actually. You could probably put your laundry out here. One thing I have noticed is the windows are really dirty. Maybe that comes from the main road being here, I'm not too sure, or maybe they're probably going to clean them tomorrow and the whole thing will look really nice. But you get a lot of natural light in this corner unit. It's actually, yeah, really nice. Same with this bedroom, kind of faces the same way towards the G Tower. And some people will probably be concerned if you're looking at the videos or the photos about the main road that's here. I can't hear anything. I can't even hear the tuk-tuks, the motorbikes. I can't hear a single thing. The sound deadening on these Ashton buildings is actually really good. And this is what I noticed when I was living in Ashton. So. So this one's also a corner unit, just like the other one, although these windows are much cleaner. So I mean, like, it could just be weeks between them being cleaned and dirty and so forth. But they're all slightly different layout and design. Like I said, I viewed so many units in this block because they're all slightly different. This bed layout is different. It's got a balcony here just in the bedroom that leads out, which is quite nice because if you want some fresh air, you can open it up while you're sat in bed. The living room is slightly smaller than the other one, but it's got slightly nicer decorations. So, you know, you kind of got to like look at all of them and sort of choose which one kind of suits your needs and kind of your style, really. And also you've got a different view out the window here as well. You probably find you get sunset on this side. So if sunset's your thing, then you probably want a unit like this one. Right, so this one's a bit more of an expensive unit. You kind of got like a little lounge area there just to chill out, kind of like a little library as such. You've got a really nice bedroom here with all the fixtures and fittings, all the lights on the wall, really nice curtains. You've got really posh, modern kind of wardrobes built into the wall. And then you've got, you know, the bathtub that overlooks the city, the G Tower and everything else. It's actually, yeah, really nice bathroom with an amazing view. But the pièce de résistance is the living room. Check this out. Not only is it let like natural light in, it's really good. It's really quiet from the main road. You've got Fortune Town right here. You've got the G Tower behind. You can see job fairs, night market. All of this at night is going to get all lit up and it's going to look really amazing. Yeah, this living room is absolutely ace. Bit out of my price budget, but you know, if it's in yours, you might well consider this unit. This unit is a prime example of why I kept looking at units over and over again. When you're sat here in the living room, like literally sat here on the sofa, you've got the view of the G Tower. You've got a different view down a different side of Fortune Town. You've got a slightly different layout here. You've got like a little tiny study area and the bedroom is kind of pushed back a little bit. So they're all like slightly different. Like there's no drastic changes, but they're all slightly different in their different ways. So I'm happy I'm able to share 5 different units with you guys today so you can sort of see the different layouts and designs are all in the same building basically. I hope that the 5 rooms I showed you today gives you a bit of perspective as to how many different kind of room styles and lifestyles that you can have all in the same building. That's going to do for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.